So we have our first true images of the Google Pixel Fold 9 or Pixel 9 Pro Fold versus the Pixel Fold 1. And shout out to 9to5 Google and Abner for posting this. Leave a link down below in the description to both the article and the person who wrote the article, their socials. But these are the two boxes. And wow, this is so tiny. So here's how thin and less packaging the first versus the second one is. I mean, I know that companies are trying to get rid of the eco footprint. That's why they have these, you know, so much smaller boxes. It's to get rid of that eco footprint. That is half the size of the last box, which is insane to look at. Now, once you open it up, you get your charging cord right here. You get your manual, all that kind of stuff, and then you get your phone. I will have an unboxing of this on release day, September 4th. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel for that. I'll give my thoughts and opinions, live thoughts and opinions of this device. But here is what it looks like. We got the crease, which, again, listen, it's going to have a crease. It's going to be noticeable. It's just going to be typical. I think at this point, we can all understand that foldable phones have creases. Again, crease. It's beautiful. It is beautiful. I still like the OG better. I really do. But I feel like it literally is like Surface Duo 1, Surface Duo 2. Surface Duo 1 was amazing. I love that phone. Best phone in my whole entire life. There's never a better phone than that phone. But if you really break it down and think about it, the Surface Duo 2 was more enhanced. It felt more premium. It felt better. It had a camera. It was more optimized. That's pretty much what the Pixel Fold 2, that's what the Pixel Fold 2 is to the Pixel Fold 1. And then these are the two bad boys next to each other. And it is insane. You got the Pixel Fold 1 and you got the One Plus Open. My bad, the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, not the One Plus Open. What am I saying? It looks just like it, so I have to make that joke every single time. But yeah, can we just acknowledge how beautiful this Pixel Fold 1 is? I mean, listen, I'm not trying to glaze it up, but it is an absolute beauty. Camera module, I think it's just going to grow on me over time. It's going to take time to grow on me. But it's more of an actual candy bar cell phone that's actually a foldable cell phone. And I think moving forward, whether it is the One Plus Open or whether it is the Pixel 9 Pro Fold, this is going to be the new thing that companies follow to kind of create the foldable cell phones, which is this, you know, kind of form factor. And bezel, a lot less bezels, almost no bezels, which is gorgeous. Yeah, I can't stress that enough. Look at that different when it comes to the hinge bezel wise. That is a chunker and this is a nothing burger. It is absolutely gorgeous. But again, I'll have my full review of this phone when it does come out on September 4th on the channel. So make sure you hit the like and subscribe button if you are indeed new. I'll see you guys next one.